Welcome on this video where we will see how to put the app that you've created with NetBeans, so here, onto your phone. So this video is for Android phones, so Samsung, all the Samsung phones, all the HTC phones, and many others, basically, all the phones that are not from Apple and not from Microsoft Windows. So what you need to have before we start is three things. The first thing is having Wi-Fi enabled on your phone, because we will download the app on it, and the app is 1 megabyte or 2 megabytes, and depending on your data plan, you might prefer to have Wi-Fi for that, but that's up to you. The second thing you need is to have an app on your phone that you can get from free on the Play Store, an app that scans QR codes. So that's the app I have installed on my phone. As you see, it's the icon next to the Twitter app. It's called QR Code Reader. I just downloaded it a couple of minutes ago because it was free and the first result in the Play Store. So you need to have that on your phone. And the last thing you need is to go to this website, codename1.com. Codename1 is the framework or the tool we are using in NetBeans to create our apps. And we need to have an account with them because they will build the Android app. So you just click on sign up, fill in the form. As you see, it's a free subscription, and you can join the mailing list or not, as you want. Just write down the email and your password because we will need it later. That's it. Now we can go back to NetBeans and start the process of exporting the app to the phone. So you right-click on the title of the project. In the menu, you navigate to Codename1, and in the menu, you click on Send Android Build, and that's it. Two things will happen. The first thing is this thing, a warning about a valid certificate or whatever. Just ignore that. So, okay. And the second thing does not appear on this screen, but on yours, what you should see is a window appearing and asking for your Codename1 login and password. And that's the one you just used on the Codename1 website. So just type in, without any mistake, your email and password for Codename1, and the process should be successful. Yeah, that's basically it. So you see that a lot of information scroll down in this bottom right panel, and it should finish with this thing that says in green, build of the app is successful. Once you've reached this step, you can go back to the Codename1 website. You log in if you were not already logged in. So you see that's my login info. I log in. So we come back on the same screen. And you should find your app, the one you just created in NetBeans. You should find it on the website now. So you click on Dashboard. And yes, it tells me that maybe I should wait for it to refresh. No, that's fine. It tells me that an Android app has been successfully built. That's the name of my app. And yeah, that was a couple of minutes ago. So that's fine. I click on it. Oh, and what we see is a QR code. This QR code is very convenient because you take your phone now and you launch the app. I should do like that. You launch the app that scans QR codes. So I click on it. Let me show you how it looks. Yeah, so it's an app that scans QR codes, as simply as that. So you won't see it, but I'm gonna scan now the QR code that you see on screen. Okay, it's done already. Click on OK. And what you should see after that is a couple of screens that on your phone that tells you, do you want to download this file? So that's actually your app. So yes, okay. As you see, I don't use Wi-Fi at the moment, which means that I'm gonna download one or two. This is a warning. Getting back here. No, you can't see anything. Anyway, that's a warning telling me that it's dangerous to download apps from the internet, but that's my app, so I'm not worried here. Click on OK. Well, you don't see much, but basically it tells that the app is downloading now. Okay, the download is finished. So I click on it, and you should end up with this kind of screen. My first mobile app. Do you want to install this app? And I just click on install. It's installing now, and I'm prompted for, do I want to open it? Yes. And that's my app. Well, there's not much in it, as you can see. Just the Hi World title. But that's, oh yeah, that's better. I was like worried you didn't see. That's exactly the app. So let me go back. While I hold that, I'm gonna go back to NetBeans and back to the designer. You see in the designer the original app, and you see me holding the phone where the app is. You see they added their logo, you know, the Codename One logo. Oops. On the left, sorry, of the title of the app, we will see how you can change the icon and put any icon you want, the icon of your brand or your app. That's it for how to put an app on your phone, on your Android phone. Thank you.